Hey guys, good morning. Nandito na tayo. Ay, salamat Lord at may ilaw dito. Kautasan ako. Buti na lang may ilaw dito guys. Ah, ito tayo guys. Ah, hangap man kaayo. Uy, ako lang ba ang dito? Pero 6 something na eh. Should be other people here. Ah, ay, nakakapagod. Ah, lingkod sa tanis. Aray ko. Ah, sakit ng tuhod. Ginawa sa ginawa. Who's there? Josie, keep moving. 6:08 na guys. It's Sunday morning guys. Wala akong nakitang ibang tao dito ah. Asan ang mga tao? All the people going. Ito tayo. Walang ibang tao. Let's see doon sa mga cover. I mean, PowerPoint kung may tao ba. High five viewers. Oh, meron pala isang nag-jogging. Akala ko ikaw lang. Sundan natin. Para may kasama tayo. Let's go. Dalawa kami nag-jogging guys. Cook doon na ta. Kumusta? Kapoy. Aray ko. Kautasan ako. It's far already. Oh no, I'm so thirsty. I don't have water. Wala nang tao guys, only me. CCTV 17. Oh, may CCTV pala dito. Kaya huwag kayong luloko-loko kasi may CCTV pala dito. O diba, nag-jogging din siya. O diba, hindi lang ako nag-jogging dito. Marami kami. Maganda pa going down. Nakakapagod pag going up. Ay, kapoy na ko guys. Kapoy guys, kapoy. Sige. Gihangak. Tumasin. I want water. Water, please. I'm so thirsty already. No water here. I never bring water because I plan to run. So, I don't like to carry water. It's heavy. So, I never bring. If I only do my workout, then I will bring my water. Okay. I'm gonna show you the scenery, guys. Aray ko. Ay, sakit na ng mga legs ko. Pwede bang dumaan dito? Ha? May daan ba dito? Let's see. Pwede pala dito, guys. Why you go away? I show you the scenery here. You don't go away. You can see the scenery here. I show you. Celine Malaba. You're really a lousy girl. Okay. Reach here, guys. Hulip water bottle here. Ang ganda pa naman ng water bottle. Ano kaya to? Whose water bottle is this? You forgot your water bottle. Come back here. It's a nice water bottle though. Ano kaya yan? See? I told you. I'm gonna show you the scenery here. It's nice. I'm so tired already. See? So nice, right? Let's go. See, somebody is cycling. See? I want water. Is it got water thingy? Got water thingy. Yeah. I drink water first. Luckily, I have water here. It's so thirsty already. I never bring money somewhere. Yeah, I can drink. Enjoy. This is where I tell you good morning. O ano, enough na ba? Enough na. Going to PowerPoint. Isa pa rin. Aray ko. Aray ko. Hindi ako maka... Wait lang. Oh, that's a nice view. It's windy. The monkey is here. The monkey is here. The monkey Juicy is here. Ano daw? Ano sabi mo? Yung kulay ng mukha ko, para naman tong ingon. Hindi na lang kaya ako mag... Ganyan siya guys, pag walang filter. Ang ganda. Super nice. Maganda mag-picture ng ganyan, oh. Kaso, patay ko na yung ano. O, diba? Ganda ng view, oh. It's windy. So nice, oh. Bakit naging ganito na ang kulay ng camera ko? What's happened? What's going on? Anong good evening? Good morning. Here is good morning. Here is good morning. Is it in your place nighttime? Hi, Disturb. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Disturb. I only have 16 hearts, Disturb. Can you give me some more? Some more hearts, please. Thank you, Disturb. Ay, hindi pala ako pwede mag-stay na long time. Babalik tayo sa ano, guys. Ano, na-enjoy nyo na ba yung scenery dito? Enjoy na nyo na at aalis na tayo. Okay na, okay na. Let's go. Let's go to PowerPoint. Ito yung mukha ko. Ang kulay ng mukha ko ni Jim. Oh, tingnan mo lang like this. Oh no! Thank you, Disturb. Salamat ng marami. Morning, early bird. Yahoo! Heart me. Salamat, Disturb. O, diba? Kung pwede lang, dito na ako mag-stay eh. Siguro ang sarap may bahay dito. Tanaw mo yung mga buildings. Hi Tajinder, where are you? I'm here at Mount Tavar. Good morning everyone. Disturb, thank you very much sa pag-gift. Meron ba akong new followers? Thank you for my 1 new followers, 2 gifters, 197 viewers. Okay, let's go to PowerPoint. Huh? Ay, ang sarap. Parang ayoko nang umalis. I just want to see the scenery here. But my Fitbit is moving. I never post it. Di ba? Ang ganda. Wow! Oh my gosh. I get that. Ta-da! Ganda ng view talaga dito, guys. I want to stay here for a long time, but I need to go already. Because yung mga stars pa, oh. Hindi na makita yung stars. Ganda dito pag gabi mag-stay, tapos kasama mo yung shota mo. See the scenery here with your partner. It's very nice. Especially if got sunrise. It's very nice here. Diba? Let's go. Thank you for the hats, Disturb. Let's go na, guys. Let's go to PowerPoint. I still need to go to Garden Terrace and meet my Indonesian friends. You see, my sweat all dry already because it's windy. It's windy. It's a really nice morning. It's windy. Every morning is windy. See, my sweat is all dry up. So we're gonna run down, turn there. That's it. Disturb, where are you? Are you at work already, Disturb? Are you having coffee already? Pahingi ng coffee, Disturb. One coffee, please. Ay, naging ganito yung camera ko. Hinayupak naman tong camera na to eh. Why like this? I am sleep by. Ano yun? I am sleep by daw. Dapat pala uminom ako ng tubig bago umalis. Ah, never mind. Ayan na guys. It's really very windy eh. Maganda dito guys mag-date when you are with your boyfriend or your husband or your girlfriend or you are with your wife. O diba? You lovey-dovey here. See the nice scenery. O diba? Hi Sis Daisy! Good morning! Oh no, it's dark. It's dark here. Good morning, good morning. Oh no, it's dark guys. It's dark. It's dark, dark. I'm alone here. Nobody else. Nobody else here. Thank you, Lord. Beautiful morning. Bless you, Lord. I love you and thank you so much for everything we get in this life. Amis po exercise natin, haha. Andito kami sa Batam. I was waiting for sunrise here. Oh, nasa Batam kayo ulit. Wow naman. We're here. Oh, it's dark here, guys. I wish they had lights here. I wonder why they never put light. Maybe because so that you can see the underneath light. Thank you for the hearts. Disturb. Are you pouring me many hearts? Nasa Batam pala kayo. Sana all Batam. Enjoy sa Batam, sis. Gusto ko dyan yung yung massage. Kaso na-scam kami sa massage nun. Bayad na lang. Oh, it's really very windy, guys. Oh my gosh. You see that? The wind is so cold. Wala na yung pawis ko. Tuyo na yung pawis ko. I said all dry. It's very, very Mister, thank you very much for all the gifts. My 250, thank you. Thank you. 304 viewers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, this time you're the best. I got 1,000 hearts again. Oh, talaga? Mahangin talaga eh. Every morning mahangin siya. Malakas ang alon kasi mahangin eh. Nakakatakot naman yun. Iniisip ko nga, mag-day off ako, mag-Kuso Island ako eh. Pero yung mga kasama ko kasi ayaw nila mag-Kuso Island eh. Namiss ko na yung Kuso Island eh. Oh, talaga ah. Malakas pala ang alon. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako pupunta ng Sunday. Gusto ko nga maligo sa Kuso Island. Namiss ko na. Matagal na rin hindi ako nakaligo. Kaso yung mga friends ko naman, ayaw nilang magpunta doon. Sabi pa niya, wala daw ako ng Kuso Island. Uwi sa Pilipinas. Mister, thank you for my 1,004 hearts. Alam si Mister, kaya hahanap-hanapin ko si Mister. Kasi siya tagabigay ng hearts ko at guest ko eh. Walang iba. Oh, andito tayo sa Manila, guys. Manila. Little India. Connected ba yung Little India at Manila? Tapos punta tayo ng Changi Airport. O, diba, Changi Airport. Dito naman, city ng Singapore. Sentosa, Harbourfront, South Islands, Indian Ocean. Punta tayo ng Indian Ocean. Diyan ko yung Indian Ocean, guys. Dito tayo sa Havabela. Then, sa Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Doon banda daw, Kuala Lumpur. Punta tayo ng Singapore Zoo. Doon banda yung Singapore Zoo. Tapos, ito naman, Botanic Garden. Then, Bangkok. Daan sana ako dito kaso parang madilim, eh, nakakatakot. Anyway, wala nakakatakot kay Jocelyn. Let's go in this side. Madilim kasi, dapat may lights dito eh. It's really dark. I'm scared. Natatakot lang ako baka may ahas ba. It's really dark. Ooh. Ooh. It's dark, guys. Don't you worry, I'm a brave girl. O, diba? Maliwanag naman dito banda, pero doon madilim. It's scary. Bilis talaga ng cellphone ko maglubat. Ayan na, 35% na naman. Basta mag-live talaga ako ay expect mo na yan na very fast maglobat. So let's go in this side. O, diba? Dito tayo guys. Dyan. It's going to bright already. So we are going to go down, go to Henderson Wave, and go to Garden Terrace. I think my friends going there, so I'm gonna meet them in Garden Terrace. So I'm gonna run, then we can reach there faster. And it's going down is easier. Maganda dito guys mag-date. Mag-date with your boyfriend and girlfriend and your husband or your wifey. And you could have drinks and just sit down and chit chat. I wish I could do that in my dreams only kasi wala naman akong boyfriend. Walang boyfriend. Ano to, lighter? Wait, lighter. Marami kayang laman? May lighter guys. May apoy pala oh. Iniwan niya dyan. See you later, lighter. Iniwanan yung lighter doon guys. Maganda pa naman yung lighter. Ayaw kong dalhin. Saan kaya ako dadaan? Dito sa road o dito sa gilid? Natakot kasi ako dito sa gilid. Baka may ahas. Okay, let's go down. Run down! May pipas dito ah. Dito guys, mga lights. In Philippines, like this time is very bright already. Here in Singapore, it's still dark. ang dami. Morning! Pagod siya, hindi siya makasagot ng good morning. Ang hirap yan. Going up. Ang sorry, pasakay naman ako. Tuktuga! Oh! Okay, let's go. Let's go to Henderson. Aray ko. Okay. Ginawa muna tayo. Hindi ka pagpapawisan dito magtakbo, guys. It's windy. My sweat all dry already. I'm so thirsty na. Morning. Wait for me. Taxi dito, guys. Wow, this star you gave me 3,600 hearts. Sige, taxi de. Nag-date sila sa loob ng taxi. There's a couple date inside the taxi. Kaya nangyari sa buhok ko. My hair is so messy. We're going to Henderson, guys. Okay. Let's go to Sinimbaraba. It's going to bright already. You only have 15 minutes. Okay. 15 minutes. We're gonna reach in Garden Terrace, guys. So I must run. Wala na yung power ko. Low battery. Aray ko. Morning. Okay, enjoy the scenery here, guys. And Henderson Wave. Mahapit tama inom tubig. Kautasin ako. I'm dead. I'm so thirsty again. OMG. See the view here, guys. Oh no, so scary, so high. I'm exhausted already, guys. Ah, bigat tayo dito. I'm dead. Hi, DC Wong. Good morning. Ah, so nice the wind, guys. It's really very windy. Oh, if you come here, you just don't want to go home. Want to stay only here. It's so nice. Hi, DC Wong. Thank you for the roses. I love you. Thank you so much. Disturb, are you still there? Where is this located? Here is at Mount Tabor, Henderson Way, Power Point, and I'm going to Garden Terrace. I think my friends is there already, so I need to go and run. Let's go! Aray ko, yung legs ko. Nakakatakot naman to. Nakakatakot mag-run. Highland viewers, good morning. Okay. Oh, doon ako galing, oh. Umikot ako doon, eh. Mga Pinoy din sila, oh. Disturb! Alin ka ba, Disturb? Hi, David. David Wynn, Daisy Wong, Raso Ras, meet later. Ewan Spec, I am free. Hi, Alex. Good morning. Sis Daisy, kailan ka uuwi dito sa Singapore? Hi, Asik. Good morning. O, diba, exercise din sila. Kumbati day. Kumbati exercise day. Tarong nga day ba? Tarong nga day. Ikot ko kayo. Ikot, ikot, ikot. Diba? Tapos dito tayo titingin. Dito is nakakatakot. Very scary. Wow, Disturb. I got 5,000 hearts. Thank you so much. Sa lahat na nagbigay ng hearts sa akin at gifts. Salamat ng marami sa inyo, guys. Thank you very much. May 12 viewers pala tayo. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Wow, ang layo ng narating ko ah. I go run to Queenstown until I reach here now. And we are going to Garden Terrace. This wood, if broke and then you drop below, you die. So scary. We go this side. Kaya meron dyan. Ano yan, te? Mura man kagibitok dong. Uy, insa man yung paglakaw. Uy, mga mag-way tumong. He walking like no direction. Okay. Dito na tayo, guys. Over here. If you want to do your workout, your exercise, there's a lot of equipment you can use here. You see, this side. This side, there's a lot of things there you can do. And then the other side also have, you see. So, if you go here, you can do your workout also. I don't have time already. I must go and meet my friends and then going home. Oh my God, it's 25% na yung phone ko, guys. Lights off na, meaning it's 7 o'clock already. It's 7 o'clock, all the street light off already. Switch off already. I cannot drink water. I'm so thirsty. Water fountain is here, guys. Drink water here. I'm so thirsty already. Hope is still here. Huh? No more already? Oh, they put this side. Ay, thank you, Lord. Nakainom din, Lord. So we're going to Garden Terrace, guys. Hi, Disturb. Thank you for the 5,400 hearts. I appreciate that. And my two gifters, three gifters. Ilan ba yung gifters ko? Thank you to my 732 viewers today's live. 2 new followers and 3 gifters. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys, for your support today's live. And I appreciate that. God bless you all. Thank you. Worth it din yung pagod nito si Lynn Balaba. Not zero hearts. Not zero gifts. O, diba? Lumabas talaga lahat ng pawis ko na. I'm gonna end my life soon because my phone is gonna die soon. So, thank you everyone. Maraming salamat sa inyong panood today's live. Thank you for watching my live today. Thank you for your time and support. And I hope you enjoy the nature here in Mount Pavor. If you have time, if you are free time in the morning, early morning, you come here and enjoy the scenery here. Is very nice. Somewhere the wind is very cooling. If I have a lot of time, maybe whole morning I will stay here. Feel the breeze of the wind, see around. It's very nice. But my time is limited only. I cannot stay longer. I need to go home and do my job. 7:02 na pala, guys. I wonder if they reach already. Okay, we're here. A little push ma. I think they already here. See, my friend is there. See, Sister Grace. Ah, you long time reach there already? Or you just reach? I've been to PowerPoint, you know. Ah, I'm exhausted already. Ah, I still need to go up how many steps? I think it's 50 steps or 35 steps. Okay, we run, go up. I know, energy already. Ngayon, namuti na yung mukha ko so wala nang dugo. Wala nang dugo sa kaka-jogging. I can do this. Ah, 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 ah. Oh, so nice. So bright already, guys. Long time already you reach here? Or you just reach? Ibu don't have huh? Oh, really?
Yesterday, the sister, you see the cancer, the one, passed away already.
Oh,
Yesterday. Then
so sad.
today is a cousin. This also cousin.
Huh? So many people die? I'm dying. No energy already, guys. Okay, I'm gonna see how long and how I see my running Fitbit. Okay, and I'm gonna say bye bye to everyone. This time, thank you very much for my hearts. I know you're the only one giving me a lot of hearts. So I'm so happy because you never stop giving me hearts every time I do my live, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Disturb, sa mga hearts at sa mga gifts. And to my 3 gifters today's live, thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye. I'm gonna end my live because my phone is 20% already, guys. I wanted to show you the sunrise, but the sunrise not yet come out. And I'm low bat already. Never mind, I'm gonna take video and I upload it and see you there. Bye. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend. And keep safe, everyone. And God bless you all. And thank you for watching my live today. And I hope you enjoy the scenery here in Mount Faber. Bye bye. See you.